Pass unta.
No need pass, sir. Enter free, sir.
Oh.
Enter free.
Tamil la?
Tamil illa, Kannada, Telugu.
Telugu.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, like so many times before. I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect. But all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. If you stay. If you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the sea.
I need a
Right on cover, right? They have Chinese on the bike.
Green we don't stock, but Amazon you get it. But again, it's very thin, right?
Food is very good. It is expensive, but quality-wise, if you compare better than that.
how much is it?
Because that comes with
That is with
but you don't know that it's not a lot of fakes.
Minus 48 liters shad.
Chat 40, yeah.
Side.
So this will do. This should work or else I'll use it up. So 3.8.
Now if you take that, that should be not be the same.
I'll check with them if we need Excel also.
Sleep properly. So when you start sleeping properly, there's gap. When you want to watch, want to go
Around? Sure. No.
1400.
Or yeah, for folks use this one you have versus.
Got a Chat 46 on the versus. That will do Excel.
keep right up. Right up it also.
Double Excel.
Keep double it.
That will be fine.
Same route, never via the route.
Okay.
Already I knowledge Rasha.
ഞാൻ ഒരു താങ്കൾ പറഞ്ഞ അത് മറ്റേ ഇലക്ട്രോലൈറ്റ്സ് ഒക്കെ വെക്കാൻ ഒരു കപ്പ് ഹോൾഡർ പോലത്തെ ഒരു സാധനം ഫിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ഞാൻ നോക്കുന്നത് ഇവിടെ ഇല്ല ഞാൻ അപ്പുറത്തെ കടയിൽ നിന്ന് പോയി നോക്കാൻ
അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മറ്റേ ഇവിടെ ഡെക്കാത്ലോണിന്റെ പറ്റിയത് മേടിച്ചാലും
മതി അത് നോക്കും അതിന് മുകളിൽ പറഞ്ഞോളൂ വരികയില്ല ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ
അല്ല പിന്നെ സമയമില്ല അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മറ്റേ പ്രോസ്പെക്റ്റിന്റെ മേടിക്കാം പ്രോസ്പെക്റ്റ്
ഓക്കെ
നല്ല ഹാർഡാണ് അതിന്റെ ടോപ്പ് ബോക്സ് ഇട്ടാൽ മതി ജസ്റ്റ് മിക്സ് ചെയ്ത് ഗ്യാപ്പ് മാറ്റിങ്ങനെ ഒന്ന് അടുത്തൊന്ന് ദൂരം രണ്ടും ഏതാണ്ട് ഒരേ ലൈൻ തന്നെ. അതിച്ചിടെ കോമ്പാക്റ്റ് ആണ്, ഇത്തിരി വലിപ്പമുണ്ട്. ഇത് ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് 4 കൊല്ലം എനിക്കിതൊരു കുഴപ്പമില്ല. മറ്റേ മാറ്റാണ് അതൊരു 1 കൊല്ലം 2 കൊല്ലം ഓടിക്കുള്ളൂ. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞ്
There is more to you than words can say. You're the roof when I'm wet from rain. You know the core in every bit of pain. So I wanted to say that you'll see me rise. You've seen me crash and burn and fall overboard, and you'll be seeing me rise. You've given me more than I could ever afford. Swear you will see me rise. I burn and I will rise. I burn and I will rise. I burn and I will rise. Swear you'll be seeing me rise. I burn and I will rise. I burn and I will rise. I burn and I will rise. You'll be seeing me rise. You've seen me crash and burn and fall overboard, and you'll be seeing me rise. You've given me more than I could ever afford. Swear you'll see me rise. You've seen me crash and burn and fall overboard, and you'll be seeing me rise. You've given me more than I could ever afford. Swear you will see me rise.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down, down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Oh yeah, just let go. Ooh, just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself be and you. We're holding back each other in the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go.
കുറച്ച് എന്തെങ്കിലും എന്തെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ എടുക്കും. ഈ ഇതിലുള്ളവരൊക്കെ നമ്മളെ കിട്ടില്ലേ
അത് ഇതാക്കേ
മാസ്ക് മറ്റേ
അതല്ല ഇത്
അതന്നെ ആക്കതാക്കി ഇനി ഇതിലും കൂടുതൽ കിട്ടില്ല. ഇങ്ങോട്ട് ആകെ പ്രശ്നം.
This one is back side. This one is entry. You have to go this way. You get entry of gate.
ఓకే పాస్ ఉంటా.
No need pass, sir. Enter free, sir. Enter free.
తమిళ
Tamil illa Kannada, Telugu.
తెలుగు ఐ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్.
I have to go this way.
ఓకే
Balbhavan gate.
ఓకే
Get the Balbhavan gate. That one is entrance of the Balbhavan.
താങ്ക് യു.
താങ്ക് യു.
ഇത് സിനിമ കാണാൻ തന്നുണ്ട്. ഇതിൽ കൂടെ കിടക്കാലോ. మేడం కబైన్ పార్క్ ఎంట్రీ
Feel it in my bones. I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky. I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you. Caught by surprise.
Ladies and gentlemen, right now we are in Cabine Park at Bangalore. So we have just come here to relax for some time. Tomorrow we'll be heading to Hyderabad. So nice and peaceful place. It's actually a dog park, and there are few dogs here. If there are any, today in Bangalore we had to do some shopping, and we had gone to a few shops here, and we have taken we have bought new jackets for my wife, and pants for my wife, and you know, few other things that we thought is necessary, and that's it. And we'll be meeting some of the IFMRians after around 6, and we'll most probably retire a little bit early today because we have to ride tomorrow. Okay, so see you later.
Like everything is new. Stepped on a path that led me straight to you. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you. Caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you. Caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.